A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. I have a question for you, and especially if you are Jamaican, whether you live in a Jamaica or you live outside of Jamaica. I have a question for you. You love the Jamaican people? I mean, you really love the Jamaican people? You pray for them? You pray, say, all of we get saved? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And of course, now would be a good time, if you don't do it already, to subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss none of what are going on right here. So today, I'm going to read from Paul letter to the Roman them, chapter 9, verse 30 to chapter 10, verse 4. So then, what we can say about all of that? We can say that the people were not Jew. Them never did a look for God put things right with them. But God make things right between him and them, cause them trust in him. But Israel, the people where God pick, them did a look for a law where would have put them right with God. But they never find it. So they never get put right with him. How come? How come they never find it? Them never find it, cause them did hope, say the sitting them where them did a do would have make God put things right with them. Them did a do that instead of trust God to save them. Them trip and fall down. Them trip over the stone where dead if it cause people to fall down. And that God word did a talk about. It right down say, God say, listen good. Me a put one stone in a Zion where I go trip people. One stone where go cause people to fall down. But the people who believe in me nah go make them shame. Brother and sister, with all of my heart, me I hope and I pray to God, say, for me people, the people of Israel, we get saved. Because me can tell you for sure, say them well want to serve God, but they no understand, say what them a do, no line up with the truth. Them never want to understand the way God make things right between him and people. So then go try find their own way to make things right with God. Them never take God's way to make things right between him and them. But Christ Jesus make it so that we don't have to follow the law no more. God will make things right between him and everybody we believe in Jesus Christ. Yeah, I got what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.